Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 28th of October, 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, 20 companies from Japan and the US have expressed interest in projects that could contribute to Tokyo's commitment to invest $550 billion in the United States as part of a trade agreement. Japan has said its investment package would include equity, loans, and loan guarantees from state-owned agencies. The preliminary project list, which covers areas including energy, AI infrastructure, and critical minerals, could represent some $400 billion in investment. The clean energy industry in Australia is putting forward a plan to use financial bonds to ring-fence finance for decommissioning end-of-life renewable energy projects. This comes as part of a bid to offer landholders greater certainty when hosting solar and wind farms. The model was developed by the CEC in partnership with the Queensland Renewable Energy Council and in consultation with industry. It proposes financial security to be held in approved instrument, like a bank guarantee or surety bond. India added 1.4 gigawatts of wind energy capacity in the third quarter of 2025. That is a 105% year-over-year increase from 706.5 megawatts in Q3 2024. Quarter-over-quarter installations declined after the expiry of the waiver on interstate transmission system charges. Delays in grid connectivity, limited transmission capacity, and land acquisition challenges also contributed to the slowdown in project execution. Offshore wind farm companies may be exempted from new UK nature rules in an attempt to keep down the cost of renewable energy. The energy firms have said they would be unable to build the vast number of turbines required to meet the government's green electricity goals if they have to meet new rules for nationally significant infrastructure projects. Inflation and labor and materials costs are making it expensive to build the projects, while the grid upgrade required to carry the extra electricity is also adding to costs. Capital for developing energy transition projects in Asia is unevenly distributed, hindering the industry's efforts. Everyone in the industries involved should work with the financial sector to identify where the technological opportunities lie. While some global investment management firms focus on India and Saudi Arabia, there are very strong markets like the Philippines and Thailand. When frameworks recognize all clean technologies have a role to play, capital will flow and unlock potential for a 24/7 clean and renewable energy future. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.